Hello everyone. Let us discuss about few Node.js interview questions in today's class. The first question is, what is Node.js and how is it different from traditional web servers like Apache? Node.js lets you run JavaScript on a server and not just a browser. Unlike Apache, which creates only one thread per request, Node.js works on a single thread and handles multiple users using events. It is fast, lightweight model that handles many users at once. This makes it great for real-time apps like chats or live updates. And the next question is, what is event-driven architecture in Node.js? Everything in Node.js runs based on events. Instead of waiting for one task to finish before starting another, Node.js sets callbacks and continues working. When an event occurs, like a file being read or something, it responds. This helps to keep the project moving fast and efficient. The next question is, what is difference between project.nextTick, set immediate and set timeout? Project.nextTick is like immediate follow-up. It runs codes right after a current task before anything else. And set immediate is like after other tasks are completed, like after IO tasks are done in next cycle, it runs this. And set timeout is like after a certain timer is completed, it runs this. The next question is, what is non-blocking IO in Node.js and why is it important? Non-blocking IO means Node.js doesn't want to wait for tasks like reading a file. Instead, it moves on and comes back when the task is finished. This allows like many users to interact with the app at once without slowing down. And the next question is, how does event loop work in Node.js? Describe its phases. The event loop is what keeps the Node.js running. It checks if there are any tasks to do or timers or callbacks to handle, and it does it. This loop helps Node.js handle many things smoothly without blocking anything. Its phases include timers, IO callbacks, immediate tasks, and closing events. And the next question will be, what are streams in Node.js? Explain types of streams. Streams are ways to handle data in chunks or paths instead of all at once. Useful for things like large files for data or videos. There are types of streams like readable streams, writable streams, and streams which can do both readable and writable, and the streams which can transform, like modify data as it is passes through. And the next question is, how do you handle file system operations in Node.js? Give an example using FS module. Node.js has built-in module called FS to manage files especially. This reads the app without blocking the rest of the app. And the next question will be, explain the purpose of package.json file. The package.json file is the main and important file of any Node.js project. It stores very important details like project name, version, and required packages. It also defines scripts like how to start the server. It is like the brain of project set. And the next question is, what is the difference between CommonJS and ES modules in Node.js? CommonJS uses require and module.exports. It is an older method compared to ES modules, and ES modules is a newer method which uses import and export. ES modules also support features like top level await. And the next question and the last question will be, how do you manage environment variables in a Node.js? To manage environmental variables in a Node.js app, we especially use .env file. It stores sensitive data like API keys or passwords. It keeps our code clean and secure. We can load it using .env packages. That's it. Fine.